Hey guys, welcome back to Minecraft programming with Python. So in the previous video we left off with what debugging was and giving examples of it. But in today's video we're actually going to fix the buggy teleportation. So we're going to have two examples which we are going to fix ourselves so we get a grasp on what debugging is. In other words, double trouble. So I've got Ideally opened up and I've got a new folder opened, or new file opened up that is very similar to Teleportation. It's actually made a copy of that. I've made a copy of that and adjusted it a little bit. So now if you go and run this, run module, it says unexpected indent. And that, it shows you where it is as well, where the error is, and that's a good thing with Python. It kind of helps you. So indent is basically, they're not in a line, sorry, and as you can see, Y is a bit off. So if you're going to remove that now, we can go run it, and this should work without any problems. There we go. So obviously the program hasn't done anything, but it still works. So that's a good thing about Python. So let's try debugging another program. A version of Teleportation is also needed, so you just make another copy of that. So copy all this into a brand new file. I've already done that, so I'll open that up, and there's a few things you need to add, and rename it also teleport bug 2. So I've kind of done everything, got rid of the hash mark there, and done everything here, and got everything. Got an extra line down here, which is set pos, which you know what that is. So now, if we go and run it, it should have no errors, because unlike with teleport bug 1 that we just did, you won't get any error messages when you run the program. To fix this program, you'll need to read the code and find the mistake. This program should teleport the player to position 10, well in my case 78, 65, 132, and you run the program and check the coordinates that the player has teleported to. This might help you debug the program and identify the problem with it. So once you've got rid of all the bugs and just debugged it completely in the two programs, add a comment next to each point where you got a bug and go try to solve it, and say what the problems were, jotting down problems as you encounter them in debugging, and it can help you remember to watch out for later bugs bugs that are in the programming stages later on in our videos, so you can actually quickly go back and see where you've gone wrong and then edit it. So that was today's video. It was a very short one, but it was a very important one at the same time, because this is needed so much. Debugging is a very crucial part of Minecraft, because Python, not Minecraft, because without it you wouldn't be able to have a fluent program that runs clean and it is really quick to use. And with debugging you can do a lot more, which we will go on to further on in the videos. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.